Hey everybody, welcome back. Unless this is your first time here, and in that case, welcome. So here's one of the things that I didn't think of when I set up originally this whole month. Number one, I would be using the same color palette throughout the entire month, which is fine, but then trying to mix it up a little bit gets a little tricky. So for the week of the 10th, I'm going to do a little pre-decorating. I don't have a lot of schedule to put in right now. I'm going to put in what I know. But again, that's not a whole lot. Why is this being ornery? Let me try this. Come on. There he goes. There he goes. Okay. So I am going to put this at the very bottom just to give it a little bit more of a decorative feel. You do not have to. I have made a conscious effort to try and use up my stash for 2025. I have been planning in planners since I was a senior in high school and was introduced to the Franklin Covey planning system. So over the years, I have accumulated stickers and stamps and ephemera, washi tape, to the point where an outsider may look at it and go, that is amazingly a lot of things. And it is a lot of things. So what I'm planning to do is really use up what I have. Now, I know last week I used the Colors of the World Crayola markers. This week I'm going to be using a Tombow 772. Do you need to use a Tombow 772 as well? No, absolutely not. In fact, now that I'm looking at this, I don't think this is the right color. I think, no, I need something peachier. Hold on. I'm going to reach over you really quick and I am going to grab something. Oh, that was not supposed to happen. Sorry. Just wondering if that would work better. Maybe. Or would this one work better? I think that one will work better. So that one is the light medium rose. Let's use that one. Sorry about the glue stick. Yikes. Booby traps. Booby traps. So let's go in here. I am going to highlight this column here because it is I've got a birthday on that day. And then we also have a birthday party. No, that's the next weekend. Okay. And then I have another birthday here. And then let me get out my phone. Actually, I'll do it on my iPad. Let's do weather so I can see and put that in as well. Because I do like having the weather on here. I am using the Uniball 1. It's a 0.7. 0.7. The weather's not loading. I'm not sure why. Let's try that again. Someone is being ornery on my iPad last time, and then I'm going to my phone. I will go to my phone, I promise. Okay. All right, going to my phone, get the weather. Let me prop this up. All right. Well, it's a good thing I enjoyed all of the sunshine this week because welcome back home. It's going to be rain. Oh my gosh, it is going to be rain all week. All right, let's write it in. Rain, rain. So this last week was beautiful. It's our false spring. We always have one where everybody gets excited and mows their lawn and puts flowers in the ground. And then we go back to crappy weather for another few weeks, and then we get the real spring. So it looks like we're over our fake spring and we're back into crappy weather for a minute or two. So our low is going to be 40 and our high is going to be 46. Feels right. And then 41 and 49. Yep. And then, 38 and 47. Dun, dun, dun. 36 and 42. Yeesh. This is feeling chilly. Rain. 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 So Friday, 35 and 44. 15th is going to be 38 and 44. And then Saturday or Sunday is going to be 37 and 45. All right, so no outdoor gardening next weekend. Actually, it might be a good day. Let me see what the coast has for Saturday and Sunday. Oh, rain. Okay. Well, let's see what Mexico is on Saturday. 30% chance of rain and Sunday's full sun. Not that we can make it down there, but how nice would that be? Sorry about that. Goodness sakes. Okay. So we've got the birthdays marked down. This is our week here. Oh, if you are not already tuned in to my other channel, Plan with April, I have a Plan with April live event on Sunday. It's at 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time because our time change happened this morning. And so 9 a.m. Plan with me live. On YouTube. I will link that down below. You know what? I need a piece of paper beside me so that when I say I'm going to do these things, then when I go to do them, it's like, let me grab a sticky note. Hold on. Because a lot of times I will tell you guys, oh yeah, I'm gonna tag that down below. And then I put the videos up and you guys are like, where's the stuff you were gonna tag? And I'm like, I don't know, I forgot. And then by then, you know, I've probably had some people that were like, hey, you said you were going to do that. So tag Plan with April live video. So it's like you can subscribe to it, or they'll notify you if you push a button that it's live. I'm not sure how it works, but it works. So I've got that on Sunday. Or is it the 23rd? No, it is the 16th. Oh my goodness, you guys. Even though I am an avid planner, there are still days where I look at my schedule and I'm like, what am I doing? Who am I? Who am I? YouTube live 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Okay, now that it's on there, it's truly a thing, right? If it's on the planner, it's gonna happen. So I've got that marked in, got Hayden and Jeffrey's birthdays marked in. Next weekend is gonna be a bit crazy, which is fine. On Monday, well, let's stay here. Let me do Friday. Friday, I need to put a checkbox and a checkbox and a checkbox. So fuel Friday. Groceries and P.O. box. Here's the thing with it staying lit. Let's go back. Let's Scooby-Doo this. Doodly-doo. because it's staying light longer, I can do more errands at the end of the day. And that saves me from going to town Saturday and Sunday when it's my day off. And I just want to be a homebody and not do anything. Literally anything. Oh, you know what though? I need to book a nail appointment. So maybe Thursday after work. Let's do that. Perfect. And I've really liked this kind of combination. I may just keep doing it. It's really easy to maintain, and even the grow out's not too bad. So do nails, and then I've got my upload. That is scheduled already. So we are looking good in the hood. And then, yeah, so far, this is what the week looks like. And I know you're like, April, isn't there anything else you can put in there? No. Not really. I mean, I know I'm going to be at work, but I like to keep it really open so that I can put things in it. When I come back next week, you're going to see how it's all filled in and how it's worked. So I hope you have the very best week. Stay tuned. There will definitely be a follow-up video, the fill-in version of it. Yeah, and I'll see you then. Love you. Bye.